Hello again, happy Voyagers. Did you know that augmented reality travel isn't just cool, it's also incredibly inclusive? Whether you're a senior, a student, or a part of a curious family, Arkansas opens up a world of adventure, learning, and joy, right from your living room. In today's video, we're exploring the best ways AR travel is transforming experiences for every generation. It's not just travel, it's connection and memory making. Seeing is understanding. AR brings the textbook to life. The family that travels in AR together dreams together. So, getting started is actually pretty simple. All you need is a smartphone or tablet that works with ARKit or ARCore, and you can try out free apps like Google Arts and Culture, Arlupa, or Time Looper. Oh, and don't forget to clear a little space around you to project landmarks or experiences. Makes it a lot easier to explore. AR travel is more than just fun tech. It's a doorway to adventure for every generation. From lifelong learners to young explorers, it opens hearts and minds in amazing new ways. Thanks for joining us today on Happy Voyagers. Travel with a smile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your travel-loving family and friends. Until next time, keep exploring together.